Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it. You can use the add event listener method to listen for events on an element. And there are so many of them. The Mozilla Developer Network has a great list of all of the various events that you can listen for and the different types of things you can listen for them on. Some of them are specific to certain elements. Others apply more generally to any element on the page. The way it works is you attach the event listener to the element that you want to listen for the event on. So in this case, I have a button on my page that says click me, and I'm going to use the query selector method to get that element. And then I'm going to run the add event listener method on the button element. The add event listener method accepts two arguments. The first is the name of the event to listen for. And the second is a callback function that you want to run whenever that event happens. In this example, I want to listen for click events on my button. The callback function accepts the event object as an argument. And this object has a whole bunch of properties on it, some of them specific to the type of event that occurred, others generic. One of the most useful properties on that object is the event target, which is going to tell you the element that actually triggered the event. And so if we open up the browser, we can actually see this in action. So I'm going to click on this button, and you're going to see the button that was clicked logged to the console. The actual button itself that was clicked, the event target, got logged. And then here's the entire event object. In this case, it includes a whole bunch of information about the elements offset on the page and the scroll position on the page, the path that it followed, timestamp, just all sorts of information, the event type itself. Some of these are going to change based on the type of event, but a lot of useful stuff in there that you can use within your event callback function. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.